Welcome back to the channel. Today's a very exciting day today. As you probably see from the thumbnail and the description, I got something in the mail today. So let's have a look and see what it is. As you can see, Saddlemen seat. So let's open it up. Well, it's packaged as you'd expect from everyone else I've seen. They do a good job. Okay. So this is the Explorer LS, which is lattice stitch for the stitching here. I got it, like I'm fine with the stock seat because I got a big fat ass. However, my daughter and my wife have complained about getting sore with the passenger pillion. So I'm not going to do too much of a review on it today. I'll try to do a long-term one on it to make sure they are comfortable with it. I mean, I'll do the regular one as well. I'm sure it's going to be better than the stock seat. It's never really given me an issue. It's more for my wife and my daughter. You get about 45 minutes to an hour, and they need to get off the bike because they're getting sore. So hopefully this will be a little bit better, and they'll be able to go longer with it. That's the goal. And then the other thing I got actually is the locking mechanism from Saddlemen, because I mean, you spend the kind of money on a nice seat like this, you don't need anyone just walking off on it. This seat, I mean, with the Sport Glide, it's the same as the lowrider, so any lowrider could actually use this bike or this seat, anyways. So yeah, let's I'll just install it myself. You guys don't need to see all that. It's a pretty simple process. So there's a quick comparison of the two seats. Obviously the Saddlemen and the stock one. You can see it's much wider for the rider on the Saddlemen, as well as it's more of an upright seating, so it's going to lock you in a lot better compared to the stock one. And then one of the biggest things, and the reason we got it, was the pillion. Look how much wider it is than the stock seat, and then it also has quite a bit of cushion in the pictures that it shows online. It actually looks like this is like really thin, like even thinner than that, but as you can see, it's a lot thicker than what it shows online. So I was a little worried about that, but they assured me it's a touring seat, so this is the one we got. Now I'm gonna put it on and see how she looks on the bike. I wasn't going to show you the installation because everyone knows how to do it, but I did want to show how this locking mechanism actually works. I haven't seen anyone put it on yet. It was $15 added to the seat, and I figured for the cost of the seat, it's actually a good idea. Don't want someone just walking away with your seat when all you need to do is take one little screw off to actually take your seat. So what it comes with is a screw and a cap. The cap just goes over top, screw goes down, and then actually I'll show you the screw here. So the way the screw works, it's got the little star with the actual hole in there. Hopefully, oh sorry, with the star, the hole in the star, and that has the same thing. So hopefully it's coming through on the camera. And then this just fits over top, down. We got the black one. You can get this in different colors. Kind of wish the screw was black too, but oh well. There, as you can see, it's got the nice Saddlemen logo, and that's all it is. And then the actual tool comes with the ring, so I can just put it on with the fob, so it's always with me. Perfect. There's a first view. I'm going to take it outside tomorrow and get some sunlight on it, just to show you how it looks a little bit better than in my garage with the fake lighting on it. But I think it looks pretty good so far. Well, there she is. Let's get our first impressions on her first ride here. I know this will be not too much of a review because from what I understand you have to give it a little time, so I'll do another review later on, and plus I want to do a review from the perspective of my wife and my daughter to see how it feels, because right now it does feel a little stiff. So, first off, it almost feels like I'm sitting a little closer to the front of the bike with that backrest. It's almost like the step-up seat. This is a little narrower down here in the crotchal area. But I mean, it feels pretty good. I don't know if it... like I said, it's a little stiff at the moment. But that feels good, and the like having it not so wide by my thighs, feels like I can bring my feet in closer, which mind you makes it worse for the air cleaner I installed, but wow, that I didn't get the one with the backrest because I'm like, I've never needed it. I don't ever feel like I'm gonna fall off or anything. That, and sometimes I feel like I'm not that old yet that I need a backrest, right? So I keep it gotta stay young at heart a little bit, right? But wow, that's I'm gonna give it a pull here just to feel how it feels. Because like I said, I've never had an issue like falling off the bike or anything. But this one here feels like it's really holding you in. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's nice. So yeah, it doesn't feel any like softer or cushionier than the stock seat. But like I said before, you're supposed to give it some riding time. I'm going to be turning up here, so I'm not going to pass them. supposed to get some time in the saddle before it actually loosens up and starts forming, activating that gel. But I do feel like I'm closer to the handlebars, which I don't know. I don't know if I like it or don't like it. It's kind of meh, whatever. I'm not very good with reviews because I'm one of those guys that I just adapt to whatever is going on. I don't can't really tell you if I like something too much or not. I just end up adapting to it. However, having said that, I do like the height in the back seat here, like a backrest. It does make it more comfortable, although this is a nice short ride here. But yeah, like aesthetically, I mean, it looks a lot better than the old seat. And man, does that really step up. I mean, I feel like the other one is maybe like this height, the original one, and it's more of a slope back, not so upright. Yeah, I mean, it just for the looks of it, it looks a lot better on the bike than stock, and we'll find out. I'll do a review later on about how it actually feels. Give me some saddle time first, and then we'll get into that.